Hello guys, today we are going to fix the E8 problem in DeLonghi dishwasher, which is the diverter valve dishwasher. First we need to take the back cover out from the dishwasher, which there are clips. You need to work on those clips to take the back cover out. So this is the diverter valve, and you can see the old diverter valve which is faulty in the dishwasher, and in my hand it is a new diverter valve. First take the pictures so that you don't get confused while you put back those wires out. And to take the wire out you need to be very careful. There is a clip lock on the clip, so you need to push that clip and take it slowly down. Do not try to push it harder, otherwise you will break it. So there are two screws to take out to take the diverter valve from the dishwasher. So one screw is in the side, which you can see at the moment I'm taking out, and the other one is on the other side, so we can see the good view. And there is a clip there, so pull it downwards slowly and take the old diverter out from the dishwasher. I replaced the old diverter valve from the dishwasher and tried to rotate it, and I really got the shock. So please be careful when you try to rotate it. Don't touch those two connectors with your bare hand. And to replace the new one, you need to take the old seal from the old diverter valve and put into a new one exactly in the same position where it is. Here I'm replacing the seal from the old one and put it back into the new one. Now put it back. You need to see these clips goes out there, so line up perfectly and then push it upwards so that it get lined up and then get clipped, and then put the two screws back on the diverter valve which you took out early while taking out the faulty one. So now you need to put back all the wires exactly in the same positions, and to make sure, just see the pictures you took before while you taking out the wires, and make sure you put those plastic bit perfectly. If not, you can take the help of the small screwdriver and pull it towards you so that it covers the connector, because this is important, because if there is a leakage in the dishwasher it doesn't get electrical shock. So now we are going to put the back cover where it was. So for that, don't push it. You need to first get those two clips from the right hand side, and then it can go in easily. So now we already replaced the diverter valve for the DeLonghi dishwasher. Now we are putting all the hoses and the dishwasher back into its position. So guys, please make sure you put all the hoses back in the positions, because while you put the dishwasher back in, you might get the hose kinked, and then you might get the problem in the inlet or the draining. After that, we are going to test the dishwasher, and it was everything all right for us. So thank you for watching us, and please do like and subscribe, and please let us know if you have any problem with your dishwasher. We in the next videos we want to make sure we solve your errors and everything. So thank you for watching us again. Thank you very much.